Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, people, my family, my family, my friends, my folks. I don't know whatever you guys wish for me to call you. I have seen in the group that people have trouble searching. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but people have searching. They're not able to find files that the group already has, right? Or maybe they can get access, or I don't know what's the issue, but I'm going to show you a tutorial. If you can hear me or I can understand me, you can tell me. I will just type it in because I have this issue right now. I just woke up. I'm sorry. Uh, um. Okay, so you go here. This is the top page, right? You go to Baina and you search this icon, right? This is the search magnifying glass icon. Search here. For example, I'm looking for smoke PDF, right? I'm sorry, cap. Remote PDF. I don't know. So this is search the remote, right? This is how it works. Loading. This is all the stuff that people search for PDF for remote, right? This is so much cool. So much cool of such a cool. Sorry, not so much cool. Such a cool feature. So I click here and I can find anything I want, basically from Sumo that people post. Right? Their comments, their posts, and their PDF. So we know how I was having this issue too. And then I found out from my searching, right? Like, for example, we go back to Facebook page, then we go here to Maina, then we go here. No, that's not here. Sorry. Give me a moment. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Okay. So I recently got a comment from a friend about Cron software, right? We can search here. Cron software. The style users, right? A lot of people comment. You can even look in the comments. Look. See? You can see that. And then this is actually the app that he uses. And people love that, and I usually do that link to people, but I was thinking this would be beneficial if you just get it from you watch this video, and in the future you will not be able to, because it takes time for the admin, and it takes a lot of effort for the admin to approve every post, right? It's their time too, and I believe it's my point of view. I just believe that if we just post these kind of videos, it's nothing harm to anybody, right? That they want something, they want a document, they want that. If it's already in the group, that's not going anywhere. And if we can just search and get the documents ourselves, I think that would be better. That's what my point of view is, and I think you would agree with me, because there's nothing wrong with it. So, thank you, Jazakallah. May Allah reward everybody for listening. I mean,